Audi has officially introduced the updated versions of its A3 and S3 sedans to the US market, showcasing a series of enhancements that bolster both style and performance. The facelift models, which build on the strong foundation of their predecessors, bring a refreshed design, advanced technology, and improved driving dynamics, making them more competitive in the crowded compact luxury sedan segment. The 2025 Audi A3 and S3 sedans represent a significant update from their previous iterations, with the facelift focusing on refining both aesthetics and functionality. The exterior changes are immediately noticeable, featuring a more aggressive front fascia with a revised grille and updated LED headlights. The grille has been widened and now incorporates a larger single-frame design, which enhances the vehicle's road presence and aligns with Audi's current design language. The new LED headlights, with their signature daytime running lights, provide a distinctive look while improving visibility. The updates extend beyond the front end. The facelift A3 and S3 also feature redesigned bumpers and new wheel options, giving them a more dynamic and sporty appearance. The rear end of both models has been subtly refined, with updated taillights and a more pronounced diffuser that accentuates their athletic stance. These design tweaks contribute to a more modern and cohesive look, aligning the A3 and S3 with Audi's broader design philosophy. Inside, the 2025 A3 and S3 sedans continue to impress with their high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin of both models has been updated with a new MMI infotainment system that features a larger touchscreen and improved connectivity options. The system supports the latest version of Audi's MMI software, offering enhanced navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Additionally, a redesigned digital instrument cluster provides drivers with a more customizable and intuitive interface, allowing them to access key information with greater ease. The facelift A3 and S3 also come equipped with a range of new driver assistance features, further enhancing safety and convenience. The updated models include advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide a safer driving experience, making both the A3 and S3 well-suited for a variety of driving conditions. Under the hood, the performance-oriented S3 sedan remains a standout, continuing to deliver impressive power and agility. The 2025 S3 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces a robust 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which provides rapid gear changes and a thrilling driving experience. The S3 also benefits from Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling, whether on wet or dry surfaces. The standard A3 sedan, while not as performance-focused as the S3, still offers a satisfying driving experience. It is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 201 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. This engine is coupled with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The A3 suspension system has been tuned for a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it an excellent choice for everyday driving. Both the A3 and S3 sedans benefit from Audi's commitment to driving dynamics, with precise steering and a well-engineered suspension that enhances both comfort and handling. The updated models offer a choice of driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance to their preferences, whether they seek a more relaxed ride or a sportier, more engaging driving experience. In conclusion, the facelift 2025 Audi A3 and S3 sedans mark a significant step forward for Audi's compact luxury lineup. With their refreshed design, advanced technology, and improved performance, these models are poised to attract a wide range of buyers looking for a blend of style, comfort, and driving pleasure. Audi's latest updates to the A3 and S3 demonstrate the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence, ensuring that these sedans remain competitive in the ever-evolving luxury automotive market.